besides the question about bubur ayam, we have another question from Azhar Sharif. Why no mutton rendang at Mustafa Center? Yeah, we know, right? So, throughout the years, we have been offering mutton rendang to Mustafa Center, but unfortunately, they have not yet decided to take on mutton rendang as one of the products that they want to sell. However, there are so many other products available at Mustafa Center, such as beef rendang, ayam masak merah, ayam rendang, okay, our paru berempah, our hati lembu rebus yang dah siap potong dadu, our paru rebus also are available there. Okay. Besides that, we have also a range of kuih, but the kuih section is slightly to the left side if you are standing right in front of our RTE products. Okay, our dedicated products is right on the left side. Okay, you can find things like red bean bun, sambal, fried bun, and a few others of our product. Okay, guys. So we will continuously try to increase the number of products available at Mustafa Center, and most importantly, soon, guys, from the 6th of September. You are able to purchase our products 24/7 at Mustafa Center. Okay, so previously we were able to do that, but when COVID happened, it stopped. So now they are going to resume their 24 hours operation. So guys, if you are craving for the mutton rendang, I'm giving you guys two options. Okay, it's either you head down to our frozen mart located at 374 Bukit Batok, Street 31, unit number 01214. Okay. If it's too far for you, please order online at www.pondokabang.com. It's available online also. Alright, and we will deliver it right to your doorsteps. Okay, free deliveries for orders above $80 and free cooler bags for orders above $100.